Hi everyone, welcome to Learn to Get Hired. Today I'm going to talk about a new job opportunity that is market research, where you are going to know A to Z about market research. If you are a student, a fresher, or someone curious about how brands make data driven decisions, you are in the right place. So, this video is your roadmap. We will explore opportunities, skills, companies hiring, and how you can get started even if you have a zero experience. So, now we will discuss each segments in details. So, let's start with what is market research. So, market research is the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data about a market, including customers, competitors, and trends to support business decisions. Let me explain you with an example. Imagine if a company wants to launch a new product like a cold drink or a phone app. Before they spend money, they need to know what customers like, what they don't, and what's already available. So they ask questions, run surveys, look at data, and study competitors. That entire process is called market research. So let's understand this with another example. Suppose if a company like Pepsi wants to launch a new energy drink in India, so they will first do market research to find out who drinks energy drinks, what flavors people like, what price they prefer, and which brands they already buy. So, based on that research, they will decide how to design, price, and market their new drink. So, now let's start with why market research is such an exciting field. So, there is a high demand across industries from healthcare and pharma to FMCG, consulting, and even tech startups. You get a chance to work with brands, agencies, and innovation driven companies across the globe. So, what makes it unique is how it combines data, psychology, and creativity, helping business truly understand what customers want. And the best part is, it is a career that contributes directly to innovation and growth in every business sector. So, now let's talk about what skills you need to enter this field. So, market research is a mix of technical and soft skills. So start with one tool that matters most, that is MS Excel, Microsoft Excel. So learn the basic first, that is sum, average, count, if, and VLOOKUP. These are important to clean and organize your data. Then move to pivot tables and charts. They help you to analyze trends and visualize insights instantly. Take it a step further with index, match, conditional formatting, and forecasting tools like Trend or Forecast Linear. So you will learn all these skills on these channels. On this soft skill side, like focus on analytical thinking, communication, storytelling, and critical thinking. These skills help you present insights that actually drive decisions. So now we will discuss where you can easily get market research job. Where can you work as a market researcher? So there are plenty of options. So some major companies are like Nielsen, Kantar, Ipsos, Global Data, IQVIA, WNS, and Markets. Then some consulting giants like Deloitte, EY, and Accenture. And of course, corporates like Sanofi, Amazon, Pepsi, and Unilever also have in-house research teams. The best part is these opportunities exist both in India and internationally. So now finally let's talk about how you can start your journey and how this channel will help you get hired. So here you will learn step by step through YouTube, starting from the fundamentals of market research to advanced topics like Excel for data analysis, forecasting, market sizing, and report writing. We will make learning simple and structured so you can build real world skills. And we are not stopping at learning. This channel also focuses on your career growth and job readiness. You will get resume and interview tips specially designed for beginners. We will guide you on networking and finding internships, teach you how to connect with hiring companies, and even share HR contacts and job updates. Plus, you will learn how to build your LinkedIn visibility and create a professional portfolio. So, stay tuned and subscribe because every video takes you one step closer to your first market research job. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We are building a community where learning connects directly to career opportunities. Let's learn, grow, and get hired together.